Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I was here and I was meditating. I know a lot of you guys can learn something from this. So yes, I was just thinking because I know a lot of us as YouTubers, we're looking support. Some of us only support system is other YouTubers. Some of us have fans that's not YouTubers, people who genuinely love us and support our channel. But anyway guys, before you guys go down into this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Kurgudas. Yes guys, so as I was saying guys, I'm not gonna keep you guys long in this video. It's just a short statement. So yes, so for example, I am doing YouTube. A next person is doing YouTube. Guys, please stop getting offended when you don't see someone at your house. For example, you see me today at your house, you come to my house the next day, or you might come to my house 2-3 times back to back. I might go to someone else's house, you understand, and support someone else. I might come to you today, I go to someone else tomorrow, I go to a next person tomorrow. Remember, it's a lot of us guys. So this is nothing for anyone to get in their feelings about. I'm wanting to open up on the eyes and realize the same like, oh, you cannot support everybody. That same way, oh, a next person cannot support everybody. How are you going to do it? It's thousands of YouTubers out here. Thousands. You understand? How can you support everybody at once? Yes, you can try. Okay, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go here. But it would be selfish of a person to want everybody to support them alone. You understand? So for example, I go to the book page, the envelope page, and I spend hours there. If I don't see the envelope at my house, you know, I am not going to get offended. Because what? The envelope have to support somebody else. You know, so people, we need to get out of that attitude. Saying, oh, I support this one and this one don't support me, or whatever. Or I'm always at this one channel and this one don't come to my channel, or whatever. Sometimes the people, they're gonna come back to you. They are going to come back. You know how much time I see people come multiple times on my channel, and sometimes I don't remember, so I don't go back at them channel until them come on my channel and say, Corey, oh, I not see you yet. I'm like, hold on, I never have the person here? And the person there so long? Sometimes I say, I not have you. Because I'm a genuine person. Listen, I'm not gonna lie to nobody say, I watch them video. I'm there in them house if I'm not in them house. If I not watch a video, I'm gonna tell you straight up, I don't watch a video. I'm not gonna lie. Because the video is still there, I can go back and watch it. You understand? But enough time I see people support me when I not even know, because some of them come on your channel and they don't even announce that they are YouTubers. Because look guys, as I talked yesterday for my live, look this girl Active Chubsy. You know how much time she always there on my channel? You know how much time? You know how much time? And me never did know she was a YouTuber. Me never know she a YouTuber because she never yet come today and say come back to my channel or whatever. And this girl support me for so long. Me just start support Active Chubsy like 2 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. Like literally start support her channel. Cause me did so shocked when I realized she's a YouTuber. You understand? Me never know. So she support me genuinely. You know much people come and say as she send them. I mean never know the girl was a YouTuber because she never yet say I am a YouTuber. That's genuine love. You know much people also me go. I'm sit down at them house for hours, them have games and something. And I've never seen them in my house. but me can't get vexed. Me cannot get vexed. Because what? The person there try to spread them wings just like me. Me might feel comfortable at your house. That doesn't mean you are gonna feel comfortable in my house. You might come and pass through and say hi. And sometimes, guys, I might come one time to your house and spend 3 hours. Right? 3 hours. A whole 3 hours on your live. While you might see a person, every live you do, you see them come and them mother say, I'm going to use my name as example. Curry good as my ear. And them don't even spend 1 minute. Them don't even spend 1 minute. But you not use this. Because when you see them come and say, oh hey, remember you need the watch hours, you know. The watch hours count 100%. You understand? They might come at each live you have. And them say, hey what man, them gone about them business. Only thing them do, hey. I then just make you know, so them a pass through. You're not getting no watch hours out of that. You're not even getting minutes. A second you get. And you know, add up to the one time when me come and spend 3 hours on your life. You understand? We can't be selfish, guys, because all we want with channel to build. Remember, we put in a lot, you know. We put in a lot. We all need our channel to build. You understand? So we can't be selfish and all for ourselves. You see me? And the next thing is, the persons who is going around thumbsing down people live. We don't need to stop it. We don't need help. Because it's not no regular people do it. It's same YouTubers doing that. That is not nice. You understand? Don't feel threatened by your next person. Because today you might see a person that do good. Tomorrow you might see them fall back. You understand? Sometimes you don't know what a person is going through. And you go and you try to look at things, you thumbs them down, you discourage a person. You understand? You discourage a person. I want to big up Volcano at this. You see Volcano? Despite his condition, but like him push himself. I want to support Volcano. You see Volcano? It have some morning me get up and call him out of the blues. First time I call him, he was so frightened. I never expect to call him. And he must say, boy, I really appreciate the thing you do for me live. And I say, no, Volcano. I say, same thing what me do, you do the same for me too. Because you come to my live and sit down on my screen and help me entertain my life, and the same thing we do too. You understand? It's what we do for one another. And I say, no, Volcano, no, because your condition, you feel like you are less than a person. You are not less than a person. You are the same human being like me. Ask him if I not tell him that. And he can contest this when he watch the video. You see me? Guys, I'm going to put him channel right there so you can go show him some love. I want to subscribe to him channel. Show Volcano some love. You see me? I tell him, I say, the same thing what me I do for you, you I do for me. You understand? Because you support me and me support you. You see me, guys? So we have to live and live with love. Stop fight against one another. Stop growing each other. Stop growing and bad tag each other with other persons. You understand? Because, you see me? Let me tell you something about me. I am a very straightforward person. And you see, if I tell you my mind about something, I tell you I'm done. I not keep you up in your stuff. You see, if I stay silent with you, I don't want nothing to do with you. You understand? I saw me stay. You see me? I can't take bag about thing and I can't play hypocrite. You see me? All of it there, whether if I love or no love with the video in, or whatsoever, we still want to make something from it. We still want our channel to get big. Because we put out a lot of work. A lot of sleepless nights me get, you know. You think I like sleepless nights? Me get? Because I dey on YouTube for hours. When I see me come off of YouTube after 3 in the morning. After that, I'm tired. The other day when I look under here, so Unless I put on even makeup. You think I like put on makeup to come live? No, I don't. It might make you look a little papa or whatever. And I saw that dark and sinking. I was restless. Nobody wants to put out all that hard work for nothing. We want to see something. We want to accomplish something from this. And trust me, people, you see, sometimes you don't even know who is there. You're silent watchers. Sometimes you have people who they watch your channel, who you motivate them so much, and you don't even know that you motivate a person, and them come for your life for years. And they didn't say nothing or months. And them not say A and B because they are shy to say something. But them sit and them watch, them not miss your live. Them not miss your video. Them sit and them wait for your post. You understand? When my little nephew say, Auntie, you need to start a YouTube channel. You'll be wasting your videos on IG. You love to post, you need to start a YouTube channel. You understand? I'm there like, what man, what for dinner? My nephew, yes, you need to start a YouTube channel. And so me start, and the channel is doing good for me. Because I've come a long way. And I feel proud of myself. You understand? I never do it by myself. Because without people and for everybody who support me, it wouldn't have been a life with Curry Wooders. It would have did there now, but it would have right down the thought. Because remember, you don't have to support me. And next person don't have to support you. And next person don't have to support that person. Them not have to do it. Them do it because they want to do it. You think so when me live, everybody who come and sit down for my life, they listen to me. Have to come? No, they don't. Them can go other places. Them can go other places. I mean, remember when I just start go live, you know. I mean, I have 1 and 2, you know. I'm a find stuff to talk about, you know. I'm a find stuff to talk about. Them time I don't know about StreamYard. Me don't know about StreamYard. It's a night I go up on Beauty Live. And cause she come at my house first. I was doing a riddle right here. I saw me meet her. You understand? And she come in and she had do the riddle them. I'm go up on her live. And I meet she and Shen and I'm say, oh no go live and I go up on her screen. Cause I'm a girl like this, but like jump on people's screen. Cause I can't bother for text. In a comment. Unless I'm busy and I can't come on the screen. But my life go up on a person's screen. And them guide me and tell me over the StreamYard. I'm like the StreamYard. You understand? Me like the StreamYard. Next thing what I don't like, people. It is not nice when a person always come at your channel and them come by your screen all the time. Help to entertain and then something there, make your way name there. And when you go to the person's house, you're not go up on the screen, you know, but you're just inactive. You just always have 1 million something for do. You see me? Me not like them something there. I don't like it. You see me, how me do it, a person might not see me at them house today. But how I do it today, as I tell you no, yesterday I'm alive. Today, if I'm gonna have this person's house, I'm gonna be at this person's house. You understand? When this person live done, if throughout the day, and next person going live and I'm not going live, I'm gonna go on the next person live. Spend a little time there. When that the one that I've done, I spend the next time and go on the next person live. If me not have no life to do. Then the next day now, me I go find somebody else different life to go. Me not go back at the same person live. So don't say you always pass through my life and me don't come your life every time. I'm not gonna come to I cannot come to everybody life. You know how much people video me does miss? You know how much people video me does miss? Guys, let me tell you something. I do so much story times. And it have a night when I ask what is my correct name to give away credit. I was gonna give away credit for my correct name. People know now. And them nobody never know my name. Nobody. No one knows my name. And one person didn't know it, I'm telling him don't call it because he know it. And it was bad. Who did know my name? I'm sure I didn't know it. You understand? And no one did not know my name to get the $500 Jamaican dollar credits. And I'm not gonna lie, I did feel away. Come and say, listen, these people don't watch the videos. You know how much video I do? I'm going to call out YouTubers and big them up. Small YouTubers. And they don't watch the video as yet. Because them don't even know some I big them up in a video. Them not see the video yet. Because them busy either deal with them channel or them they support somebody else because them they are me. Alright, next thing to people. Go up on somebody live one day. And they must say, oh Carrie, I just see you on my live but I don't see you on my regular video. Listen to me. If me come and support your live and you do live all 3-4 hours, I'm depending for 4 hours, you don't worry about a 15-minute video? I'm still supporting you. Me I support you still. I maybe did not get to watch your regular video, but I still support your live, which counts. You understand? So if me not get to watch a 15 when in the video I spend my always dip in your live, you not even say that. You understand? Don't expect say because you have this amount of sub or that me supposed to be alive all the time. No. 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 I'm not. You see me? So anyway guys, as I tell you, I want to live and lead with love. I'm hoping to get some message from this live because this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. You know? Stop having up people over some petty stuff because we're all here for the same purpose. We might do different things on our channel, but trust me, we are still here for the same reason. It no matter what you do, whether if you come you pray, whether if you come you cook, whether if you come you farm, whether if you do nature's music, it doesn't matter what you do. Whether if you do skit, you play a game, you do whatever. You're there for the same reason like me. Because nobody can tell me, say, oh, I'm just doing this for just fun. You don't want to make nothing out of it? Give me a channel then. If you don't want to make nothing out of YouTube, give me a channel. Give me a password and your email so I can change the password and everything. Since you don't want to make nothing out of it, do it for fun. Just give it to me and create a next one and do it for fun for the one there. Yeah, give it to me. I'll take it. I don't mind. You know? But anyway, people, thanks to each and everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend about life with Curry Gooders. Bye guys. Magan. Before we go, please remember to check out Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes guys, that's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Love you guys. I'm out.